Improves coffee flavor, removing impurities, calcium, lime, chlorine, and odors with activated charcoal filters creates delicious tasting coffee. Fits most Hamilton Beach coffee makers. These charcoal water filters will fit most Hamilton Beach coffee makers, both newer machines and older machines. Check your coffee maker's use care guide to determine if your coffee maker uses these filters. Micromesh material keeps charcoal inside to prevent clogging. The micromesh material ensures the charcoal stays inside the water filter to efficiently filter out fine sediment and impurities without compromising flow rate or clogging your coffee maker. Ultra-fine charcoal maximizes filtration. Fine charcoal granules increase surface area exposure to water and maximize effective filtration. The pure charcoal in each water filter replacement is made from clean coconut husks. Easy to replace. The coffee water filter is simple to replace with a pull-top cap for easy removal. For best tasting coffee, replace your coffee maker's charcoal water filter after 60 brew cycles or approximately every 2 months. The Hamilton Beach replacement charcoal water filters improve coffee flavor by removing impurities, calcium, lime, chlorine and odors with activated charcoal made from clean coconut husks. Fits most Hamilton Beach coffee makers. Top reviews from the United States. Purchased again. I love this coffee maker. I had one years ago and it stopped working. I bought a Keurig and it was okay, but I hate that I have to make a cup every time I want more coffee. I purchased this one again and I'm so happy I did. Once you get the rations right, it makes a great cup of coffee. Stays hot and holds the flavor, keeping the coffee airtight so it stays fresh. I set it to go off in the morning so that it's ready when I wake up and it fills the air with the smell of coffee. Definitely makes it easier to get up in the morning knowing I don't have to make it and wait. Highly recommend.